Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Samsung Wireless Charger Portable Battery Bank. So much like the 10,000 milliamp hour battery bank that I covered from Samsung last year, we now have a wireless version. And these are great if you get them at the right price. I paid very little for it, so it was easy to justify. At retail, none of these devices are worth their price point. I will say that straight out, because you can buy products like this from other manufacturers that clearly don't have, the Samsung name, but certainly will deliver. This one, a little more unique. I think it retails for around 60, 70 US dollars, something like that. But recently has gone on sale through Best Buy for around 30 bucks. And for $30, if like me, you were already using a power bank and would just benefit from the ability of having it also support wireless Qi charging, and it's actually fast charging. I believe it's 15 watt. So it's just a win-win situation. And at $30, which I think is roughly twice or maybe a little less than twice what I paid for the old hardwired version with the same capacity, this is a no-brainer. If you don't have devices that charge wirelessly, then you don't need it. But then again, having it for a little bit of future-proofing isn't a terrible idea, even though these things are not going to live forever inherently. The batteries inside them will die. But you can already see you could charge two devices at once. That's a nice thing. So your watch could be sitting on it while you have it hardwired to your phone. I mean, you get the idea. So a little more versatile for travel, in my opinion. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Take a look. Again, at $30, very hard not to like what they've put together here, because it works. And in an age where most devices, at least that I have these days that are portable that I carry, do support wireless charging outside of, for example, my cameras, this is a welcome addition. That's how I look at it. That's a pull tab. I don't think I need to use my little knife here. Let's see. But I may be fooled. I'm often fooled by these. Yeah, you know what? The knife still feels like it's necessary. So let's just slice and move on. And, I don't know how well this product works or doesn't, but I will know soon enough. And if the previous generation is anything, to measure by, then I expect good things. So basically, it looks exactly like the old version, but now we have a Qi charging pad, as you can see, side by side. It's a little bit thicker, a little bit taller, but you get the picture. And then nothing else in here except for the charging cable. Let's see if I can just shoot it out. Oh, man. Looks like it's going to be a bit of a struggle. I think that's going to be the easiest way. There we go. And so it's revealed. A little bit of paperwork, nothing really to talk about with that. Let's get it out of the way. So there is the included cable. And again, it's really straightforward. I don't know what charge time is going to be like on this, but I anticipate it's going to be very similar to this, which is more than several hours. But then having the 10,000 milliamp hour pack with you wherever you go, yeah, this I think needs to, it's showing 3 out of the 4 LEDs there. So it is not ready to be used. I mean, I could try it right now. Let's go ahead and just take my phone, the Z Flip, drop it on, and you see it's charging the Z Flip. So that's pretty cool. I mean, already that's impressive to me. It's showing 1 hour and 48 minutes remaining to get a full charge. So again, I think this is claiming 15 watt. So right here on the back of the box, it says it delivers up to 7.5 watts to the S10, Note 9, or other compatible. So I take that back. It's not so fast. It's not 15 watt like some of the other wireless chargers. But remember, this is a bank. So anyone who's going to comment and say, I got it wrong at the beginning, it's been corrected here, so I won't even bother responding. But, if you follow my channel, I only respond to people that are worth responding to begin with. Genuinely, I mean that. But, Samsung points out, if you want to charge your watch or Galaxy Buds, I have both of those, kind of a no-brainer. They're saying on the go or on your end table, because you could just leave this at a desk or end table. I think this is great for an office because it does really serve as both, right? I mean, you can wirelessly charge your phone watch, or buds, but also leave this thing sipping juice and always ready to go. So in a way, it could be better than a traditional fast charging wireless Qi device because it is more versatile. But again, slow charging. This is not a rapid charge. And it will work with anything that's Qi certified. That's the other thing they like to point out. So whether it's the S10, Note 9, the iPhone, well, iPhones that support wireless charging, of course, or Google Pixels, it's going to work with anything that will take a Qi charge. So pretty cool device. We'll see how it works. I will, put it through the paces of a battery bank, but just good to have. And even though we're in the middle of a pandemic, we're coming into hurricane season, at least where I live, that is always an issue these days. So it's good to have these around the house. And I like that this has got a little rubber finish here. So unlike the rest of the body, it's not going to damage whatever will sit on it. But very similar otherwise in design, just a little bit larger, a little bit heavier, a little bit longer. So if that's what they had to do in order to make it more dynamic, I'm in. But I will test it out, report back, let all of you know if it's just as good as this. I'm expecting that, but of course better because of the wireless charging capability. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button, and as usual, please feel free to subscribe. And please stay safe. Later.